Hi, I'm Ian Hobson, CEO of ChargeBox. ChargeBox is the world's leading secure device charging solution. Our mission is to bring free charging wherever you need it with the best and most trusted service available. We are already bringing this service to a variety of public spaces as a free amenity, just like Wi-Fi. We started around 10 years ago to provide charging services to mobile users. We've learned a great deal in that time, and that's prepared us for two really big important changes to our industry. The first key change was the emergence of the smartphone. They have amazing battery life for a computer in our pocket, but we use them so much, by mid-afternoon they're running low on battery. The second key change was the attitude of our clients, who positively embrace mobile use as part of the customer journey. The first breakthrough client for us was Westfield Shopping Centres back in the 2012 London Olympics. They saw the need to provide free charging to complement free Wi-Fi. They asked us if we could do it, we jumped. We delivered 22 brand new ChargeBox Plus units to Westfield just before the Olympics. Since then we've charged over 2 million devices at the two centres alone. As the need for this service grows, so does the list of clients who understand the need for this amenity. Our product is the best for a number of reasons, not least because we take the user experience at the forefront of everything we do. We use a secure, key-based design. We use manufacturer's cables only. We have a cloud-based telemetry system that tracks usage in real time of all our machines globally and reports that usage to our clients and our engineers to provide maximum service levels.